Hi everyone, so guys, today we'll be saying no to boring rice and I'll be sharing with you this lovely fried rice recipe I'm sure you'll enjoy. You know, Christmas is just around the corner and it's not every time jollof rice, every time normal fried rice. Sometimes we just have to switch things up, so I'm sure you'll love this recipe. If you've not, please subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, let me hear your feedback, do all those nice stuff, and let's get straight into this video. So these are the ingredients we'll be using for this meal. Firstly, rice. This is about 2 cups of long grain rice. Then our vegetables. I have chopped green pepper, onion, scotch bonnet pepper, this green peas and some carrots. I have sweet corn. This is my meat stock. Then I have about 2 eggs, 2 sausages, vegetable oil, and for seasoning I'll be using 2 seasoning cubes, salt, curry and thyme. Lastly, there's this spice I use, Nora spice for fried rice. Feel free to omit it if you are not interested, but it's just for extra color. And as usual, the full list of all the ingredients will be in the description box, and you can always feel free to put a switch to it at any time. So firstly, I'll be putting my washed rice in the pot and I'll be adding my chicken stock to it. Next, I'll be adding in some salt, some seasoning cubes, I'll be adding in thyme, curry, and that seasoning I talked about. I'll just give this a quick mix and I'll add a bit of vegetable oil just because I don't want the rice to stick together. So I'll add in enough water to cook this rice completely and then I'll just let this boil. So this has been boiling for about 15 minutes and this is the result. Our rice is already cooked. So next, in a pan we are going to scramble some eggs. I just whisked the egg and added a pinch of salt. So we'll scramble the eggs and keep it aside. Next, I'll be putting in some oil in the pan and I'll fry my sausages. Like I said, with cooking, you can always switch things up. You can replace your sausages with chicken breast or with prawns or with shrimps. Anything you like, just do it the way you want. So I'll be adding in some onions and a bit of curry and thyme, and at this time, trust me, you can already perceive the aroma. Like, this is already going to be so delicious. So I'll add in my vegetables, carrots, green peas, sweet corn. Then I'll add in my green pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and I'll just give this a quick mix. So guys, when frying your vegetables, please make sure that the heat is high so that the vegetables don't soak up oil. So you'll be using high heat. Next, I'll add in some salt, seasoning cubes, give this a quick mix, and then our vegetables are ready. So now I'll just introduce my rice into it. You can do this batch by batch, but since I'm using just 2 cups of rice, I'm going to do everything in one place. So I'm adding in my rice and I'll give this a quick mix together. So lastly, you remember our scrambled eggs. This is where they come in. So you just add in these eggs, give this a final mix, and our fried rice is ready. Yes, our Christmas fried rice is ready. So guys, let me know in the comment section, are you going to be trying this out, or what do you intend trying for Christmas this year? So guys, if you've not, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and let me hear from you. I'll catch you in my next video. Merry Christmas.